Welcome guys to another video on quadratics. I'm taking here the trickiest question that I found in quadratics. So here is the question: x squared minus 11x plus 29 power 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 1. Now we can't find directly the solution of this. There are different cases arising here. So like case 1 here, if I see, now we know for any number, let's say a, we have a power 0 is equal to 1. You all know that. So meaning here this one can be written as this equation power 0. So meaning we can write it down as x squared minus 11x plus 29 power 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals to this whole thing, that is x squared minus 11x plus 29 power 0, right? So meaning we have replaced 1 with this. So because the answer of this is going to be 1. So now what does this gives us? The base is same. So this base is same, then you will have powers also same. So this gives us 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Now you have the quadratic, so you can easily find out the solution here. So I will use the factorization method here. So 6x squared plus we need something that gives you, when you multiply as minus 12 as this and this, and when you add it gives you positive 1, right? So we may have 6 times 2 is 12, that is 4 and 3. So I will write here plus 4x minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. What is common here in this is 2x, that means 3x plus 2 minus 1, 3x plus 2 equals to 0, right? So now this factor is common, 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 is 0. So this gives us two things, two expressions, three equations, 3x minus 2 equals to 0, and so 3x equals to 2x is 2 over 3, right? One answer. Another one, x is 1 over 2. So by getting this we got the value of x and these two values, right? Now case 2. So another what is the possibility? So for any number, like for any number b, we have 1 power b is always 1. So whatever power of 1 is, it always gives us 1. So that will leave us to write this a to the power of this, so to make it same. So I'm rewriting this one, x squared minus 11x plus 29 power 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 1. Equals to 1. This 1 we can write down the power of power as this x equation, 6x squared plus x minus 2. So 1 power 6x squared plus x minus 2. Now what is this making here? It's giving us, like you see, the base is now different, the power is same. So that means this whole thing is going to be equals to 1. So this gives us x squared minus 11x plus 29 equals to 1, right? So we got the equation now. Now we can simplify this one. So here we have this one, x squared, let me rewrite, x squared minus 11x plus 29 equals to 1. So x squared minus 11x plus, bringing 1 this side, 28 equals to 0. So now we can make factors again. This will be 7x minus 4x plus 28, 0. Now you know the process, x is x minus. So as you can see, the question is bit tricky and longer, so you can expect these kind of questions in exam. So x is 7 from here and x minus x is 4 from here, right? So we got two more values here. Now this is not done yet. The trickiest part here, the case 3. So in case 3, now what is the question? Let me bring it here. The question is, equation to the power equation is 1. Now if we have, let's say, -1 power 2b is always 1, meaning to say that if this power is an even number, so 2b is going to be, 2b is an even number, right? 2b is going to be an even number. So that means if this is even number, only then this answer is going to be positive. So meaning to say that if this power, meaning if 6x squared plus x minus 2 is an even number, if this is an even number, only then we can get a positive answer, that is 1, right? So that means we can say, let me write it down to make it clear, meaning if 6x squared plus x minus 2 is an even number, then x squared minus 11x plus 20 power 6x squared plus x minus 2 will be 1, right? Now let's say this is equal to -1. We can consider that x squared minus 11x plus 20, sorry, this was 29 is equal to -1. What will happen if this is -1? -1 to the power will be, let's see how it works. Then x squared minus 11x, that's going to be bringing 29 here is 30. So make factors, x squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 30 is 0. So x is x minus 6 like this, then expression x minus 6 is out, is 0. So x is 6 and x is 5, right? So now for x equals to 6, now we have to check this. For x, now you will get it. For x equals to 6, 6x squared plus x minus 2 is 0. So 6 into 6 squared plus 6 times 6 is it 6x, wait, so this is only 6 here, sorry, minus 2. So we are not making it 0, actually we are trying to see the value, right? So this is 220, which is positive, so therefore x equals to 6 is a solution, right? So what do you mean by this? Now we are looking for this value. So we got value, if this is negative, what will happen? So then this is going to be a positive value. So that means x equals to 6, we can consider it as a solution. Now for x equals to 5, so 6x squared plus 5 minus 2, that means 5 squared. So this is coming 153, which is an odd, not positive, we are going to say that which is an even number. So this is an even number, so that means power will give a positive answer. Now this is an odd number, so if this is an odd number, so 6x squared plus x minus 2 is going to be not a solution, so we are rejecting x equals to 5. So what will be our final answer? So values of x, we are going to combine all the values of x. So the solutions that we got here, 2 over 3, 1 over 2, then we had 7, 4 and 6. So all these are the solutions of x. So you see, I hope you understood. So this was the trickiest question, you must go through that, so you may get these kind of questions in your exam. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.